Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Nissan Altima. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded compact segment. Nissan made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.